born as buds from a tree down south. Hot summer it was, a day without a drought. With each season, leaves grew anew. However, sometimes it would just be a few. From young to old, we feast upon sun's light, constantly photosynthesizing till comes the night. The closer you look, the more you'll see. Built from plant cells, much like bricks to a degree, structured and symmetrical as leaves would be. Fibonacci sequence would have been better, that I guarantee. Producing chlorophyll to convert light to carbohydrate, still ending up as mulch. What can be done then except our dry fate? Our life cycle constantly under labor. Not much we can do, as it was predetermined by nature.